Activating unlock phone on Verizon. Hello viewers, welcome to the channel. Today you are going to learn how to activate unlock phone on Verizon. So let's get started. First, ensure your phone is unlocked and compatible with the Verizon's network. You can verify compatibility on Verizon's Bring Your Own Device program. If your phone requires a SIM card, order one through your Verizon account. Phones that are eSIM compatible may skip this step. Next, find your phone's IMEI number, a 15-digit code required for activation. Then sign into your My Verizon account and go to the section for managing your devices. Select the option to activate your own device. Then follow the on-screen instructions to complete the activation. This process may also allow you to transfer data from your old device to the new one. Once finished, your unlocked phone should be connected to Verizon's network and ready to use. And that's all. That's how you will be able to unlock your phone on Verizon.